Hello dear viewer, probably I'm the most crazy person because I ventured outside when it is snowing right now in eastern Turkey. Very nice, except it's not fun when one is sick, you know, it's absolutely not fun, but the view is nice. That's what I thought to share with you. I don't believe any of you would wish me well at all. I know that my channel is followed by Zionists, so I don't care. You can keep the world to yourselves. Enjoy it and destroy us with pandemics, you know, with new viruses that